The white. You record?
Yeah.
Okay, listen, y'all. This is me. I'm Lynette. And this is my son, Spazz.
This is me.
He's a rapper. But listen, we going to put, I said that I wanted to do a challenge. This is something that you can try as a game, like for ladies' night, or if you're just having a game night, okay? Now, I didn't name the game, but we're going to see, it's called the Sneeze Challenge. You start out with tissue. One piece of tissue apiece. Everybody gets a piece of tissue. Put the cookie down. Okay, so this is what we want to do. We want to get the tissue to look like this, okay? And then we want to roll the tissue up, and we want to see who's going to sneeze first. Roll the tissue up. Tissue challenge. You try to get the point as tight as you can. Okay? Now, this is what we're going to do. Do it right there. You got it tight? Look at that. Tight. Tight. We're going to see who's going to sneeze first.
So my name is Spazz.
Okay.
Yeah, his name is Spazz. Crazy Spazz. This is my son, yo.
No, not right now. But yeah, YouTube.
Yeah.
Apple.
YouTube. Yeah. Here we go. Okay. We're going to start. We're both going to do it at the same time, and we're going to see who sneezes first.
Ready? Okay.
Okay, you take the tissue, stick it up your nose to the tip, and you twine it.
Whoever sneezes
Sneezes Christ. I lost. He didn't even sneeze. Whoa.